Hi, I'm Barkley Roper with Tiger Capital Management, a registered investment advisor here in the state of Idaho, bringing you your weekly trend update, helping you stay on the right side of the market. In an attempt to sift through all that market noise, Paul Tudor Jones, famous hedge fund manager, gives us broad advice in regards to what kind of analysis he prefers in his May 1990 Barron's article, Past the Peak. Jones says, under or overvaluation is only part of the battle. The key thing is to be able to time one's entry into a position at the precise moment when the market is about to move in your favor. Markets can stay undervalued, say for months and years at a time. You don't want to waste your resources in that kind of position. In fact, if you put a gun to my head and ask me to choose between fundamental and technical analysis, I would take the technical every time, close quote. So let's continue using technical analysis by looking at our price chart, starting with U.S. stocks represented by the S&P 500. Okay, so we can see that price today is just a little off, a little below the most recent high of last week. Price is still above the 50-day moving average and still above the 200-day moving average, so we're still in a confirmed uptrend with U.S. stocks. Foreign stocks, we can see that price is right here. It's come off just a little bit from its last week's high, but price is still above the 50-day moving average and still above the 200-day moving average. So we're still in a confirmed long-term uptrend with foreign stocks. Real estate investment trusts. We've had a good rally over the last month or so. Price has come off its high of last week. Still above its 200-day moving average, still above the 50-day moving average, and we're seeing that 50-day moving average creeping and just starting to cross over the 200, but not quite. As before, we still have this line of support that we've used over the last 6 months or so, and so we're still in a confirmed long-term uptrend with real estate investment trusts. Commodities. We can see that price is right here, gap down just slightly this morning. We have price above the 200, above the 50, but the 50 has not crossed above the 200-day moving average. And we had it's kind of this area right here. There's not a line drawn. It's not perfect, but kind of a line right here where we've hit some resistance. And so we're still in a confirmed downtrend with commodities. Bonds, we can see that price has gapped down just a little bit today, and price is above the 200 and above the 50. We can see that the 50-day moving average is just now crossing over the 200-day moving average, which would normally give us indication that we would be starting a new trend. We've had this area of resistance, and that's somewhat significant, and price has dropped below that again, and so we're still in a confirmed downtrend with bonds. So let's look at that one more time. U.S. stocks are in a confirmed uptrend. Foreign stocks are in a confirmed uptrend. Real estate investment trusts are in a confirmed uptrend. Commodities are in a confirmed downtrend, and bonds are in a confirmed downtrend. So that wraps it up for today. I'm Barkley Roper with Tiger Capital Management, a registered investment advisor here in the state of Idaho, bringing you your weekly trend update, helping you stay on the right side of the market. If you have any questions or comments, as always, please feel free to give me a call or email me. Thanks, and we'll see you next week.